So hi Manish, sir. Good morning.
Hi, Manshu. Good morning.
Yes, thank you. So yes, I just wanted to talk about the Shulini as a university, the way you are building things, and then the way we have partnered with Shulini on experiential learning outreach and the business research project.
Okay. Thanks, Manshu. So, firstly, at Shulni Business School, we focus a lot on experiential learning. This might come through internships, on-the-job trainings, field works. That's an essential component of our pedagogy. Now, with that kind of a background, while a lot of those components come very naturally to the 2-year MBA program, we've been very keen in our undergraduate programs, especially the BBA fourth year, to bring in the experiential learning components.
Right.
It's been great that Himanshu, with you at Satori Path, we've started these discussions and we've teamed up together and partnered up to come up with a experiential learning module where we take our students to rural areas. And where I'm very happy with Satori Path is that we've been able to work together in co-designing the program. And basically, it is a week to 2 week long field work,
Right.
which is part of our applied business research. Now, I think business research and why rural areas, those are two things which were critical in our discussion. So if you look at rural areas, 60% of India's population still lives in rural areas. Those are big markets, consumers, markets, social impact, development. Those are all things that come to our mind. And to have a program where our students go, indulge in this immersion, it sets a lot of things into context for them. Firstly, they get a lot of insights as part of this business research that they do. Getting out of the classroom and engaging with stakeholders gives them a very, very different perspective. So that's one that in terms of as a business, education student, you're getting a lot of market insights.
Right.
Number two, for very obvious reasons, sustainability and, SDGs are a big area of focus. And in rural areas, as development progresses and as we learn lessons from the business world and in society, we believe there are new ways of doing old things and there are new ways of doing new things. So combination of both those approaches are again very, very essential, which basically helps our students to achieve those objectives.
Got it. Thank you for having us, Manish, and
Thanks, Himanshu.
look forward to a great collaboration.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.